Construct a frequency polygon from the following frequency distribution. Here's the frequency distribution right here. We have 4 data values going from 10 to 14. We got 7 data values in that range, 8 in that range, and then 3 from 25 to 29. Now, a frequency polygon is a line graph with frequencies on the vertical and the classes on the horizontal. I'm going to use the class midpoints for the horizontal axis. So if you calculate the midpoint here, you can add these up and divide by 2. The middle number here is 12. So here's the midpoints here. The midpoint here would be 17. The midpoint here, 22. And the midpoint here, 27. So these are going to go on the horizontal axis, and these will go, the frequencies will go on the vertical. All right, so let's try to create a line here. All right, well, my frequencies go up to 8. That's going to be the vertical axis. This is the frequencies. Since it goes up to 8, I'm going to make 8 tick marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Goes up to 8. And my midpoints here, I'm going to start one at 12. It goes up to 20. Say 12 is about right here. Alright, so at 12, the frequency is 4. So I'm going to make a dot at 4 corresponding to the midpoint of 12 and the frequency of 4. The next dot I'm going to make is at 17.7. So if I go over here to 17 and go up to 7, it's going to be about right there or so. Just try and draw it the best you can. Next up is 22. That's going to go up to 8. So that goes up to here. And then I have 27, which goes up to 3. 3 being right here. So it's about right here. So yeah, just do the best you can. Now what you're going to do is you're going to connect them with lines from left to right. So we're going to go here, and then up here, and then here. So it's basically a line graph version of the histogram. But we're not done yet. We need to make a polygon. Polygon is a closed shape with sides on it. This is not a closed shape. So what we're going to do is we're going to go backwards and forwards and make dots on the horizontal axis corresponding to the distances here. If you look at the distances between the midpoints, there's 5 between each consecutive midpoint. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go 5 below 12, which is going to be at 7, and I'm going to make a dot at 7 and connect right there. And then I'm going to go 5 above 27 to get me at 32, and also make a dot and then connect the line there. So now we have a polygon when you have the horizontal acting as one of the sides. That is how you create a frequency polygon from a frequency distribution. There you go.